Hi, it's Realtor Jen, and I want to introduce you to this beautiful property at 19090 Creekside in Interlaken, Michigan. This property is sitting on just over 2 acres of land, offers 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and lots of privacy. I love that you can't see your neighbors and that there's plenty of room to move around in the house, so it's very family friendly. Just minutes out of Traverse City. What a gem this is. Also, there's no shortage for storage in this property. If you'd like to tour this home, give me a call. It's Realtor Jen at 231-492-4062.